Hey guys, welcome back to a new video. I'm Josh Gibbons. Guess how old I am? I'm from the UK. I'm a brand identity designer. Check out my stuff in the description and you'll see all my work over there on my Instagram. Anyway, let's get into the video. I always freaking leave this box open. Okay, so what I want to talk about in today's video is, if you haven't seen my last one, I spoke about the next steps after kind of getting my last sample. So today I have chosen my supplier. So I got it down to 3. I ordered samples from all of them. I kind of made an Excel sheet or a number sheet on Apple Mac, analyzing the different suppliers. So making note of their price per unit, their shipping cost, their packaging fee, their print fee, sorry, and I calculated all my kind of profits in there, adding VAT, duty, Alibaba fees, corporation tax, FBA fees, and I kind of took the sample into consideration. I took our conversations into consideration, how well we'd been communicating, how well they'd assisted me, information on their company, how well known the company was for producing my product, and obviously the price was a huge one. So today I chose the supplier and it was actually the cheapest one, and I'm so happy because not only were they cheap, their sample was great and their communication was as well. They really helped me. So today I've sent them a message saying, can we clarify all the terms? I've literally just sent a huge list of every term we spoke about, including sets, cost per set, shipping terms, putting the barcode on the outside, custom packaging, every single term that we spoke about, and then I've asked them 4 questions. So it was, firstly, please can you send back your approval that we can move forward with all of these terms. Secondly, can I get the custom packaging template so I can make my custom packaging. So question 3 was, can I get a custom branded sample as soon as you've got the orders in production? Can you take one of those and send it to me? And the final question was, can you clarify the dimensions of the packaging? So I asked these 4 questions to make sure we're okay, help me create the custom packaging, obviously, ensure I can get a custom set sent to my house that I can use for photography, and also getting the dimensions so as I move into the next steps, which will be shipping plan, I know what I have all the information ready to create that. So that leads me on to the next part of this video, where I talk about the next steps beyond choosing my supplier. So now that's done, I need to wait for a reply of all those questions from the supplier, which will be probably tomorrow morning, knowing their Chinese timings, and I need to create my Amazon seller account. So pretty much I can do that anytime. I might actually do it today. I'm going live on my Instagram. If you don't know about my personal brand over on my Instagram, I'm documenting my journey as a brand identity designer. So I go live with followers and fellow designers over there. So apart from that, today I should be good to open my seller account and kind of set up the payments for that. It's 30 quid a month, I think, and make sure that's all set up. So once they reply, they answer those questions, I need to design the custom packaging. I'm a designer, so it's going to be smooth. I don't have to wait 2 weeks for some guy on Fiverr to do it. Create the custom packaging, I can make the shipping plan, and I may even pay the deposit for the order. And I'm super nervous and I'm super excited at the same time, because this is literally everything we've done has led up to this order. So it's been an amazing journey so far, and I really hope that you guys can follow me in this journey. I'm so grateful for everyone that is at the moment, everyone who leaves comments, goes and sends me a DM on my Instagram, sends me an email. I'm just so grateful that as a guess how old I am, year-old, I am it's just amazing to be able to document it all. When I'm older, and I can literally, this is where I started. This is the start of my journey of financial freedom, my road to life mastery, everything. So thanks very much once again, guys. I'll see you in the next video.